Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is called PrimeHost 2.0, sort of a special discount for unlimited lifetime one payment web hosting. And pay attention, because on the one hand, you can have lots of videos or offers about how to make money. And this is on the other side. This is a way to save thousands of dollars over the next 10 years. So let's look inside. This is a one-time payment. So instead of some of the other hosting where it's $30, $40 a month, which ends up being, that doesn't sound like a big deal. Hey, I got to run my web. I got to have my website hosted. Of course, I got to pay some money. But that ends up being that $30 or $40 becomes $500 in a year, $40, $480. And then that becomes $5,000, $4,800. Over 10 years. So $17 one-time payment is a roasting deal. But in that exact case there of paying $40 a month, just saved you, what did I end up saying? Anyhow, thousands and thousands. Sorry, my math's not working, and I'm not even going to try and do that on the fly. But what I'm going to do is just show you a little bit inside it, because not only is it a roasting good deal, stop paying all sorts of money. You just pay one-time thing. It's very advanced Turbo SSD technology. You can host unlimited websites and domains, ultra-fast and secure servers, fastest website loading speed. And the part that's really going to get you going here, let's see, free end-to-end. The SSL encryption is the HTTPS, unlimited websites and domains, unlimited bandwidth with unlimited databases, super fast and secure servers, one-click WordPress installation. Obviously, you have your own personalized email account. I think that comes with just about everybody. One-click script installs 100 different scripts. And I haven't even seen this one live and in person myself. Better and easy to use A panel. We're all familiar with the C panel. This one's an alternative panel, an A panel. So completely newbie friendly, no prior experience needed. And again, pretty straightforward. One click to connect your domain, manage your hosting using this cutting edge A panel technology, and install 100 web apps in one click for SEO, for traffic, for protection, for images, auto activate the whole 9 yards. And here's where we get to. This is the only hosting solution you'll ever need. So links in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. You click the product box. Let's see, we're going to scroll down here and give you a look at something right about here. $17 for lifetime web hosting. And away you go. Click the link and grab a copy of right now, $16.75. It's on a special sale. Like I say, the, what did they call that? Special discount, unbeatable low one-time price. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Check out PrimeHost 2.0. The link's in the video description. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com.